Today, we are pleased to present INVESTAI, a smart assistant designed to help users make informed financial decisions. Upon launching the app, users are greeted by the main chat window, the central hub for interaction. A side menu on the upper left provides access to key features: open questionnaire, sentiment analysis, beginner guidance, and chat history. Just below, the process log and token usage panels offer real-time insight into background operations and token costs. When users click on the Open Questionnaire button, they are presented with a set of questions designed to assess their risk profile. Once the user answers all the questions, the system calculates and displays their profile and then asks the user to return to the main chat. Based on this risk profile and any additional prompt provided, the system generates tailored investment recommendations with using latest news and annual reports from FinHub, and also the system provides supporting URLs to show where the news summary comes from. The system offers advice for specific stocks. While the system processes this request, the process log records each background operation transparently, and once the output is ready, the token usage panel shows the number of tokens used and the total cost for both input and output. Additionally, users can download the latest one-month price data of the recommended stocks in Excel format. All conversation data is automatically saved in the chat history, which can be accessed at any time by clicking its button in the menu. In the sentiment analysis section, users can enter a specific stock or topic, and the system performs real-time web crawling using a variety of filtering operations to ensure the output is consistent and accurately reflects public sentiment based on the input. We use a multi-agent system here to enhance the information gathered through web crawling and to generate a summary of the results. As with other features, the process log tracks the back-end steps, and the token usage panel displays token consumption and cost. In the beginner guidance section, users who are new to investing can receive introductory financial knowledge, including key terms and explanations retrieved from the system's knowledge base. Also in this section, the user can see the PDF files where the retrieved data comes from. Both the process log and token usage panels remain active here as well, ensuring users stay informed about the internal operations and the cost involved. On the lower left part of the interface, the process log updates live with every action the system takes in the background, while the token usage panel below it offers a detailed breakdown of token usage and associated cost per interaction. And summary, our platform offers a transparent, personalized, and educational investment experience suitable for both beginners and experienced users, combining AI-driven insights with complete traceability and user empowerment.